In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find lost items in Hello Neighbor Act 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some items are vital to have when playing Hello Neighbor. So if you lost these items, there is a very easy way to bring back objects that fell under the map or items that you lost altogether and you believe that you can respawn. So this is going to be available on Act 3 as well, like I mentioned. So regardless of the act, you can get this done. All that you have to do is look in front of Mr. Peterson's house, and you will find the lost and found box. So, like I said before, on Act 3, it is going to be primarily found in front of Mr. Peterson's house. If you cannot see it there, or if you are in another version, it might be down the hallways of Mr. Peterson's house. But basically, just try to look for this box. As you can see, it is misspelled on the actual box itself. Instead of lost and found, it says Salt Nide Noved. But it is going to be the lost and found box. And like I said before, the function of this box is restoring any items that fell through the map. So if a crucial item fell through the map, you will be able to find it here, for example, your crowbar and so on. So just go over to this box and see if any items are inside. If the items are not inside, it could indicate that the item didn't fall through the floor, but it is lost somewhere. And in that case, you will just have to retrace your steps. If you retrace your steps, you have spent a lot of time looking and you still cannot find the item, the best course of action would be to either restart your save or go to an autosave in a period where you still have the item on you, because the only mechanic that allows you to find items easily is going to be the lost and found box. And if you cannot find the item here, then it could be truly lost and you will simply have to restart. Now, I hope I was able to help you. Before I end the video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. It helps us a lot, so I highly count on your support so we can produce more videos like this of Hello Neighbor. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.